Hi, I'm Shanae with WTI. So lately I've been waking up with these aches and pains, which is probably a sign that I'm getting older, but something I can always count on to give me relief is my Ultra Strength Tiger Balm. So this is a pain relieving ointment, and this thing works wonders, especially if you have those aches and pains from overexerting yourself, or if you deal with chronic back pain or joint pain. This stuff is amazing. So the ointment has a texture that's kind of similar to Vaseline, so it's very easy to rub onto your skin and spread it around. Now the scent is a bit on the stronger side, but it smells like menthol, so it actually doesn't bother me at all. I find it actually adds to the relieving effect. So when I do get those aches and pains, I'll apply just a small amount to the affected area, and within minutes I can feel it working. So it creates this really strong hot-cold effect, and I love how deep it penetrates. It actually feels like it's going right into your muscle so that you're getting that strong relief. The relief lasts for a pretty long time, so you don't have to apply it that often, and I found that it really does make a difference. Now, I've dealt with back pain for a number of years, and I've tried so many different ways to alleviate that pain, and I'm not the type of person who really likes to take medication unless I have to, so I'm glad that I found something like this that has helped me to sort of just be able to move and be able to function without that pain. So if you are feeling sore and achy, give this stuff a try. I think you'll be glad that you did, and that's my point of view.